Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect and integrate your GoDaddy website builder with HubSpot. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website if you've not already by going to godaddy.com, and from here it's going to open up this portfolio and dashboard where we can go and take a look at our site. So you can open up your site in edit mode right here. You also have the option to publish it and get your domain, but basically once you open it up in edit mode, it's going to greet you with this main page where at the right side of the screen you have the options to go ahead and manage your website, and here you have the publish option if you have not already published your website, and the option to get a custom domain. So you can go ahead and take a custom domain if you do not already have one, but our domain is what we're going to be using, because as you can see on this article right here on HubSpot, how to connect a domain to HubSpot, we can see we need to go ahead and get our domain. Then we are going to open up our HubSpot account and go into the settings icon, from where you're going to navigate to content, domain and URLs, and click connect a domain. This is where you're going to input the domain that you are using for your GoDaddy website builder site, and this domain you're going to integrate with HubSpot. Once you've done that, you are going to go ahead and connect those two services, and now you can go ahead and use them together for hosting, redirecting, email sending, and so on. So go ahead and check it out on their website and get started with doing so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.